Hi, my name is Vanessa, and I'm just here to talk about my progress so far and what's happened. So basically, as you can see here, I've been able to meet my goals for Deck 1 and Deck 2 for this course. Deck 3, I'm close to meeting the goal of 14. I'm currently at 13. I already have some interventions set in place that I have been using in my previous courses. Some of those include having a set time that I study, a set amount of time that I study. Currently, I have 45 minutes every day, and then I do 15 minutes of timings. And after that, I record my highest score for the day and then keep track of it daily. Normally, I input my data at the end of the week. It just helps me better see my overall graph, and I've just found that that works for me as well. Some interventions that I do include splitting up the deck into smaller decks. That is to help me ensure that I'll get to every single card in the deck. I also only do my timings and studying in my room to ensure that I'll be in the quietest place and have no distractions. Something else that I do that has been helping me is putting my phone on Do Not Disturb mode, starting from the time that I begin studying up until my timings are all done is when I'll go and take off my phone off disturb mode. Basically, like that's my reward for doing it, the work daily. Like I said, I already tried different things, and I feel that these interventions that I have set have been working for me. I also have my timer set at a soft like melody tone. I'm not sure the exact name of it. It just helps minimize the aversiveness of the timer, and then doesn't put as much pressure on me to of the timer, should I say. But I haven't made any changes so far for this course. Like I said, I've tried out already different methods. I've seen that these methods that I currently have, interventions, work for me. I've been using them for the past 2 courses, I believe. And right now I don't have any plans of making any changes to it. Like I said, I've been meeting my goals for all of them. And that's pretty much it. Thank you.